you might not want people to reuse or duet or do something with your TikTok post. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop people from reusing your posts on TikTok. Now I'm going to show you the account level side and also the post level side. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. And without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can stop people from reusing your content on TikTok. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your TikTok app, click on bottom right, which is your profile. Then you click on the three lines on top, which is the settings menu bar. Then click on settings and privacy, click on that. And then you click on privacy and then you go to reuse of content. Last time they have separate for different things, for Duet and things like that. But now they pack everything under reuse of content. Click on reuse of content. And you can see here, allow reuse of content from, you can just click on everyone. And then you can just put friends only or everyone, okay, if you want to. Of course, this friends means follower who follow you back. So if you don't follow me back, there's no point. Okay, another one is, if you want to check who used your content before, you can just click on this. So you can see some people have reused my content. I think mainly because it's my friends. But yeah, I can check here, see who reused it. Okay, on stories. Stories basically I don't want to reuse it. So yeah, so this you can check here as well, content history of reuse. So you can disable content reuse for individual posts as well. So for example, I want to disable reuse for the first post. Click on the bottom right, the three dots, and then you can scroll all the way. You should be able to see privacy settings. Click on that. So you can see allow reuse of content. You can just turn off or turn on. Alright. And if you turn off, then they won't be able to reuse the content on TikTok. So yeah, so this is how you disable content reuse on TikTok. If you find this helpful, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.